Good morning everybody, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you're all keeping well. When we travel we sort of stay in a variety of accommodations. Sometimes we slum it, sometimes we treat ourselves, so we kind of have a nice balance, but every now and again we decide to stay in something a little bit more kind of quirky, a little bit more unique, and that is exactly what we're doing today.
Doing some research online of cool places to stay in, I actually happened to come across this one that we're going to stay in tonight, and me and Keelan were out for a walk the other night and we happened to walk by it, so we went in and had a little nose, and oh my god, we fell in love with it. So we're on our way there now and we can't wait to show you. So welcome to our floating hotel.
Get like bread or rolls, but they can eat.
Do you get many swans that come up to the...
Yes.
There's plenty of swans.
They should be around, especially when you have food.
Right, yeah. And we have food.
So we have food.
Okay, all checked in.
So we got our swan food, our keys, and we're ready to check in. Okay, so there's the card going actually. Yeah,
there we go.
Lost.
Oh, very, very nice.
Look at this.
Really cozy.
Oh my god, how cute is it, honestly? Oh my god, it's so lovely, isn't it? Isn't it?
It's deadly.
It's absolutely deadly. So let me give you a tour. So when you walk in first, you have this cool little storage area, so you can hang your jackets and put your bags away. And next then, of course, we have a kettle for some coffee, some mugs, bottle opener, some water, some wine glasses for later on.
Yes.
They also leave some blankets, so if it gets cold and you want to stay out on the deck area later on, you can be nice and cozy. They also have a safe. They also have this cool little workstation, a nice little cool lamp. And I have to say one thing, I really like the interior, the way it's done. Even though it's so small, the room, they have it very neat.
Yeah, they really make use of space.
They make use of the space. A mini fridge for some snacks. They also give you some robes and some slippers, so when you get out of the shower, you can be nice and wrapped up. And speaking of the shower, I'm going to show you the bathroom.
Oh, nice spacious bathroom. You have a big shower, toilet, sink, big huge mirror right here. It's actually quite large, isn't it?
It is, it's really spacious.
It is, yeah. And the girl was saying as well that it's an electric boiler, so if one of us have a shower, we kind of have to wait 30 minutes.
30 minutes in between, but that's okay. So we also have these cute little tables, so if you want to just sit down, relax and have your coffee, loads of natural light coming in, and we also have some lamps inside.
There's lights everywhere. I keep spotting them as kind of plotted around us.
Yeah, absolutely. It's well lit up, so I'd say it'd be really, really cozy later on when it gets dark. And speaking of natural light, we have these big windows right around that lead out onto our decking area.
Ooh.
Open the door.
Lovely.
And here we have the decking area.
It's cool. It's very big, isn't it?
It's really big, yeah. You can get smaller ones. We did go for the bigger one.
Right.
So you can get smaller ones where it just comes to here, and we got the one that actually extends right around.
This is like a little L-shaped kind of terrace.
An L-shaped terrace,
yeah. It's lovely. Now the only thing about being out here is I feel like we're moving looking at that.
I know, you do. When you stare at the water, you feel like you're moving on a boat.
This is the Vistula River right here. It's nice and peaceful, isn't it? Just sitting out here and just kind of, you can see across the river here that people are just walking up and down. Lovely, lovely views.
Gorgeous views. It's really relaxing. You're just looking at people cycling, on a run, walking their dogs. So I'm going to show you another part around this side. So we're at the other side of our deck. sun seems to be really coming in from this
From
side.
that side,
actually.
yeah.
The heat off that, it's
God,
lovely.
it's beaming down, yeah.
And then over here we have the Krakow Eye. We have a big hot air balloon that you can actually go on, and we might go on later on.
I was gonna say we haven't done it yet. Maybe it's something that we
Yeah,
can
maybe
we can do
later.
later on. Yeah, but also we haven't done that Ferris wheel either. So activities to do while we're staying here as
Yes.
well.
And just behind me over here we have a restaurant called Haliforum. And basically they work with the hotel, so if you want you can book your breakfast and that is where you go for. So now it's time to show you our bedroom. And this is what makes it really spacious. It's like it's 2 floors. So it feels like there's a lot of room even though
Yeah.
it's such a small place.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's go. Oh, I love this part.
It's like an attic or something, is it?
That's exactly what it's like. And then you have this little balcony just to look
Look down.
over.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
It's so cool. It's
It
so
is.
cute.
I can't get over how spacious it is.
I wash my head.
Just
It
as I
is.
say that.
You can actually
Yeah.
stand. It's just the ceiling sort of tears in like that, but
Right, okay.
it's really, really spacious.
Yeah, it's cool. Air
Yeah.
conditioning unit as well.
Air conditioning. They leave you fresh towels.
Nice large bed.
Now we have to see. We haven't tried out how comfy the bed is.
Right,
yet.
okay. Shoes off.
Shoes off. Ready to dive and wreck it. Oh,
Is it comfy?
it is, yeah. It's
Lots
really
of pillows
comfy.
as well, look.
Oh my god, it's so comfy. Loads of pillows.
Hello there.
Hello.
Boat tours, Krakow tours, look.
Boat tours. So we did ask the girl, and you can do boat tours. We weren't too sure where you do them from, but you do them from the castle,
Right,
which is
okay.
about a 15-minute walk over the bridge.
Yeah, yeah, where we are located is kind of central enough, isn't it? We're not too far from the old town or like the
Yeah,
Jewish
that's
quarter
the
and
good thing
things like
about
that
the
as well.
location
So.
of the hotel boat, I suppose. Yeah, you
Yeah.
have like the Jewish quarter over that way, and
Yeah.
then the old town is just a couple of minutes up that way as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, so it's quite centrally located.
yeah, it really is.
Jeez, will we just hook this up to the boat
Yeah.
and get a little scoop?
We were thinking we might do one, and then we're thinking, do you know what? We're on a boat.
Yeah, exactly. We might as well just sort of
Just
chill out
enjoy
and
it,
relax,
yeah.
and enjoy, yeah.
So although we did say it's very close to the city, I have to say I'm looking forward to later on just chilling out with a glass of wine, a nice blanket around me,
Yeah.
sitting out on the deck area, and just being
Able
relaxed.
to relax, yeah. Like that's the thing. Although we are close to the city, this feels like we're a little bit
it takes you away from
secluded
the
or something.
madness
Yeah,
of the city,
yeah,
I suppose,
yeah,
and just
yeah.
you're so
It's a-
close. You have the best of both.
Exactly, yeah.
You know, you've the choice to go in there, or you can just really just chill out and just enjoy the peace. We also have a cool full-length mirror, which I love.
You love them.
I love them, but I have to say, it makes the room. Mirrors always make the room look bigger.
It does, yeah. You kind of you
Doesn't
can
it?
see through it then. It makes it look like it's a lot longer than it is. Like
Yeah,
they've done well with the space here. I'll say that.
they
for
have
them.
done really, really well with the space. So, although we can make our own, another cool feature of the hotel is we can get tea, coffee, hot chocolate for free whenever we want. And we're going to go and grab one
Why
now.
not? Why not?
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Coffee with milk, please.
Coffee with milk. So I'm going to go for a hot chocolate because I've had a coffee already. Oh, there we go. Milk
There it
coffee.
is. Oh, lovely.
Time to feed the swans.
Our friends.
Our little friends.
Where are they?
Here's one here. Look.
Ah.
Hello. I ran him away.
What's in that field?
The girl gave
The
us these.
swan is after doing a runner.
Some little seeds, and I don't know what they are. For the swans and the ducks.
And the ducks.
Oh, look at the boat. All lit up.
Oh, look at this.
It's lovely, isn't
That's
it?
quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah, as you can see, it's after getting really dark, but the
Yeah.
place is all lit up.
It is. It's lovely,
It's
isn't
really, really nice, yeah. Look at the Ferris wheel.
it? Yeah.
The Krakow Eye.
The Krakow Eye. And you know what? I've just noticed it's in
It's
green.
green for
It's green for
Ireland.
Ireland.
I haven't seen the hot air balloon going today.
Right.
Now, I did just get a message on my phone there, and it was a warning to say there was going to be like mad winds and all tonight to stay indoors. So great night for the boat.
Great night for the boat. Great night for the hot air balloon. Great night for the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
So we might just keep our feet here, will we?
I think so.
Oh jeez, they're back. There's two now.
Fine. This is a different one. Look, he wants it.
They must hate the food, Samantha. Anyway, we better go grab something to eat ourselves.
Better go and grab some food ourselves. I'm starving now. Oh God.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. We've got a big bag of goodies and snacks and loads of beers, so we are sorted for the night. So we're just outside our hotel now, and we wanted to show you what it was like all lit up at night.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. The name of it is Newport. We probably forgot to mention it. But yeah, that's the name of it, and it's just so pretty lit up at night, isn't
The way
it?
they're all just kind of stacked beside each other, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially at night, you can really see it just
You can really
on the river.
see it at night, yeah. And there's
Yeah, it's
actually a
lovely.
restaurant as well down the very end.
Right, okay,
as
yeah.
part of it too. We also have the Krakow Eye that we showed you earlier on, all lit up as well. And
The
there's also
Krakow.
a cool Krakow sign, and it's all lit up as well. So we're going to take a walk up and have a look at it.
Sweet.
And then we have the hot air balloon
Look
and
at the size of that.
the size of it. When you get closer to it, it's bigger.
Yeah, it's humongous. You just see it in the distance and you're like, okay, yeah, it's a big blimp. But
As you get up closer to it, it's like, wow.
Jesus.
Yeah.
The only thing is now with the weather, we had it.
I
know if
would
that-
not be going on that in this weather, definitely not.
One great thing they do in Poland, they send you text messages.
They do, yeah. They send you
Say
text
there's a
messages to
storm.
warn you, like.
Yeah, yeah, to stay indoors, yeah.
And don't get on hot
Don't
air
get on
balloons.
here, hot air balloons. Samantha, look, it's our friends. The electric scooters.
The electric scooters, I
you know what?
love these.
Yeah, they are great, yeah. Every time I see them, I just think of our time in Gdansk. 'Cause remember that at the very start of our Polish trip?
Oh, stop. That seems like so long ago,
I know, yeah.
doesn't it?
I know, fun times, fun times.
Sometimes.
Now look at us with our Tiski, the Krakow sign. Cheers.
Nostrovia. Okay, so it's time to go to bed. Good night.
What's the bed like?
Oh, it's so cozy.
Oh. Good morning, lads. Oh, we slept alright. To be fair, it rocked like mad last night, and it was kind of some kind of funky noises. But I slept fine. I was out in about 5 minutes. Next man took a little bit longer for her to go to sleep. I think she was a little bit worried about how we were going to be during the night, but we didn't sail down the river, so that's all right. That's good. Yeah, so something bad, something crazy happened yesterday. When we checked in, we were at reception. We came in to our room. We left our bags down. We had a little walk around, and I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna fly the drone, and unfortunately, it's over. The drone fell into the river, and now is buried at the bottom of it. Oh, we're sick, absolutely sick. Yesterday was actually alright weather-wise. I mean, you can probably tell by now. This morning is it's a little bit breezy, but yesterday was quite calm and it was sunny, and you know, it was like perfect drone conditions, if you like, or drone flying conditions. We got some great shots yesterday. We flew it around, which was really cool, and then when I was bringing it back in, it was about 15-20 feet off the water, and for some reason it just completely dropped. Crazily enough, I just was like, oh my god, and then I just tried to bring it back up, and it came back up out of the water, which I was shocked about, only for like a millisecond, because I think the damage had been done, because when I pulled it back up, I tried to pull it back into me, and it just did a complete flip, and at that point it just fell completely, and there was no going back after that, and it just fell into the water, and then it just began to sink. Fortunately, that's that. I mean, it does happen. We watch travel vloggers ourselves and people like that, and you know, some of them are on their second and third drone. It happens. I can't explain it. I don't know why it happened, but it did happen. So no more drone, I'm afraid. We're sick. But yeah, we are determined nonetheless to enjoy the rest of our time here at the Newport Hotel. We're only awake, so we're quite hungry. We're going to go over and grab some breakfast. There's a restaurant across the way that sort of work with the hotel, I think, and they do some nice food from what I heard, and yeah, we're going to just finish our copies, and then we're going to go and get some breakfast. Hello.
Oh, it's breezy.
Breezy one today.
It is. Number 8, by 2.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Swapsies, because you have the bacon.
Yeah, swappy.
So we went for poached egg, toast and bacon, some fresh orange juice, and it was only 20 zloty for the breakfast.
Bargain.
Like €4.
Bargain.
Nice full bellies after that breakfast. Honestly, that was the nicest breakfast we've had since we've been in Poland.
It was.
That's no lie. And probably the cheapest as well. It's 20 zloty each for that, which is about €4, honestly.
Yeah,
you get like a freshly squeezed orange juice.
Yeah.
We got lovely poached egg on a sweet bread with like bacon and cherry tomatoes and little chopped onions. It was just really, really delicious.
Yeah.
So if you're in Krakow, honestly, it's down by the river. It's called Halle Forum, and if you're thinking of somewhere different to go for breakfast, check this place out.
Okay, we are all packed up, ready to go. 24 hours was definitely not long enough in this place.
So yeah, if you're coming to Krakow and you're looking for a unique stay, we will leave the link in the description for this hotel, and we would highly recommend it.
Bye, drone.
Bye, drone.
Ready to go?
Ready to go. I always check behind every little space I can find. It's ridiculous to see that we're not leaving anything behind, and I know we have everything. It's like an OCD thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks, bye. Bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Okay, so we are on the move. We are walking down the Vistula River. We are heading to our next hotel. We have left the Newport floating hotel. It was a great experience, but we actually tried to go to the Krakow Eye there, but it just wasn't meant to be, I think, because we've just got crazy weather warnings. Our phones are hopping, crazy winds. I don't know what's going on, but I think we'll do it again at some point anyway before we leave. But for now, we are on our way to our next hotel.
So we're going to close the video out here. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow us on Instagram for daily updates. As I said earlier on, we'll also leave the link of the hotel in the description if you're looking for a different, unique stay in Krakow. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.